this is a monster building. Welcome back, Pack.
We are in Wimberley, Texas.
And we're about to tour this 40x60 tubular metal building.
So this eventually will be a man cave at the end.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get this one going. Check out the inside, guys. What I love about tubular commercial trussing like this is that it's galvanized, so it makes the building look super bright. This is our insulated overhead doors.
Look how clean that notch detail is.
Look at this notch detail we did here.
That's like my good David says, that's sick.
That's sick. Nice and clean.
No, just look at this. Look at this detail. It's just not cut. It's, you know, they take their time to finish this. Our dimensions here is 12 by 8. I mean, if you live in Texas, you want to get a wide door for your big Texas lifted truck.
This is the steel door. This is not the mobile home door. Flush to the ground. Nice steel core. There's steel skin, and then it's insulated in the core. Something unique about this project, we got the 412 pitch. That's an upgraded roof. You really won't see this very common on a tubular. We got the 1 foot overhang. Now we do it a little bit custom. We use 26 gauge because of oil canning.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Awesome. Yeah, we'll see you guys on the next project. Stay tuned.